Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, and remember, keep this in mind, Stefflon has worked with some of the artists are one of who are called Vybz Kartel name. And Stefflon say, oi, them can't test the teacher. If there should be any lyrical confrontation, the teacher would have to battle himself. Now, viewers and subscribers, some people have said this is a clear diss to Mavado and the MVP, Idonia, and all other naysayers. I agree. I fully agree. Now, I notice the next thing. While some other camps will go out of them way to disrespect Vybz Kartel and disrespect the Gaza Nation, if we even make mention of facts, just mere mention of facts, things that people actually know, we realize that everybody has them feelings. Just like a Vybz Kartel say, everybody start get emotional when we point out things about the opposition. So why? Why? Because our artists are the giant of the game. Why? Because our artists are the dancehall king. So why? We just go along with everything. No, you have a time when we get petty. Just like Vybz Kartel say. You have a time when we get petty. We'll point out, say, oh, what of them are renter dread. Look here, no one say. You have a time when we'll point out this, a facts of the matter. Just like how Stefflon say. Watch you. She's an artist. A recording artist. Artist a record tracks with Mov. No doubt, the Mov feature do something for her career. You know what I mean? Yeah, because at that point in time, she was an artist where break out. And Mov did already have have the name where him get after the lyrical confrontation with Vybz Kartel. Keep that in mind. Always keep that in mind. The reputation, the platform where him gain after the lyrical confrontation with Vybz Kartel. Always bear that in mind. Now, she said that, and she has worked with this artist, and she's a recording artist herself. People like me say this. Where's your merit for making your critiques and making your statements? Sometimes I am not even making an opinionated opinion. Sometimes I just tell you what somebody else say. And in this case, I just put forward to you what Stefflon has said. And mama, big up yourself, you know there's something go. Yeah, from the physique to the sound, the music. Yeah, we see even a crossover linkage. Enough people know this. Stefflon is actually signed to a North American record label, even though she's based and from the UK with Jamaican heritage, and even though her music is dancehall UK hip hop. She'll do it, man. She definitely do it. As somebody who can make the talk, she actually signed to a record label. Remember one time she got it with Nicki Minaj, one of the biggest names in a female rap or hip hop, whichever way you want, title genre. And she got it, and it never hurt her career. It's a girl who will make her statement. She don't care what the repercussions. She don't care what you want thing. I have to agree with somebody like that. You know what I mean? Somebody who knows unfiltered. They not say it just because them feel like say the crowd want them to say it. She never need to say this. She never need to make that statement there. She look for what go on. She see the post made by Mug. She see the post made by Idonia them. She hear the talk them made by some other little man in the MVP camp. And she say, but wait, how would they look at youth here? What them a try bring in a dancehall arena, knowing that them not ready. Because at this point in time, we cannot authorize or set up any lyrical confrontation with Vybz Kartel or anybody else. Because them not in a weight class. You have to think about that. Them not in a weight class, viewers and subscribers. It would be an uneven match. It's gonna be an uneven match, viewers and subscribers. It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. You can't do it. You can't do it. Even if you want them skilled person, they like Desperado, Dumber, throw them. The fling team night them. Even if you want them type of man there. Remember, on a Call of Duty this. It not gonna work. It definitely won't work. Steps, what she say? I agree with her. If you agree with her, to talk to me in the comment section. Some people are saying lyrical confrontation at this point in time will not do anything to any member of the clash right now. anybody with it, whether it be Alkaline, Jamil, Mov, or the teacher in the entire Gaza nation. Because at this point in time, people already know say yo, them can't manage Sean Storm. Them can't manage Siva. As a matter of fact, I go one step further. I don't think nobody in the MVP can manage Lisa hype. Simply put. I don't feel like them bad like Lisa. No. I don't feel so. That's the truth. And it's a girl that write her own music. Despite one of my things. Remember, if the teacher give her a song, of course. If I was an aspiring artist and I do music, I write my own music, which is the only way I do it. If the teacher give me a track and say, yo, that track you gotta put it to the world. Record it. Do you feel like I'm gonna say no? Then this is a songwriter who write song for Beyonce. What do you mean? For the man say that song, I go help elevate my career. What do you mean if I don't record the track no inside and write it? No response. I'm an artist. I'm a recording artist. So, I definitely do it. So even though the teacher has written songs for almost everybody who has been in the camp, the Portmore Empire, them do write them own music too as well. And them not ready for even Lisa hype. So them can't mind Siva, them can't mind Sika. Oh, them are gonna mind the teacher. And the teacher already tell you, him not go to war with the peasant. We not gonna do it. We might be petty and make some statements, but that's as far as it might go. There might be a reference and a line in our track, but that's as far as it will be going. At this point in time, we now make nobody else career so. Ask him about it. Over the last artist to get him career built that way by the teacher. Teacher not build nobody else career right now. Plus, all know Mov no pay him for the help where him do for him. We see him put out video saying buy apartment for him mama. Good luck. For you buy apartment complex for mama, we can't do nothing but say good luck. I want them to keep this in mind. Nobody now go to them way to make it look no way upon the MVP. Dancehall, I just remembered instances when them set things and do things. Like remember when Jamil this Alkaline and I run back at him now. You remember when Mov say what him say, and then this Beanie. You remember say the lyrical confrontation with the teacher make him who he is today. We not gonna forget. We remember say Alkaline run out. And not just because him say what him say about the Gaza nation make Dancehall not really accept Alkaline. And what him did say about the track. When him talk about the brata. People still not forget about the brata. He might rust him here and take out the sclera lens and stop tone him skin. But people still remember the brata song. People not forget. And that I know nothing about the Gaza nation and Vendetta. Vendetta is not an established camp to go against the Gaza nation. The Gaza nation apart from Portmore Empire days. This is an established franchise. The MVP is no established franchise. We don't even know what them fan base. They have a base of operation. No, they don't have nothing like that. So we can't even consider them as the opposition. We just say it for musical reference so people can know who we are talking about. We don't have to call them name, you know what I mean? Yes. So that's why we use that as reference. But other than that, we can't even consider them as a musical group certain way. Right now, if I know Gaza Nation, I must alliance you got to talk about. But you don't have no other reference right now in a dancehall music. If I know Gaza Nation, I have alliance. No goalie side, no MVP. No make them trick you. No genocide. No make them trick you. The only thing we see a forward in this young day and age are the Six Nation. We see the six of them are forward out strong. And them are forward out as a conglomerate because them are producers and artists. So that make the movement even that much stronger. But some three artists link up and I call themselves a name with one resident producer and one of the producers they not even link with one of the artists them. You know what I mean? That's not a dominance in a dancehall affair. Steph say what she say, and no phone not gonna like her statement. As a matter of fact, no phone not gonna stop like Stefflon now. Just because she say what she say, no phone not gonna like Stefflon, but she no response about that. I can't tell her that. Mama not really response. That girl like this. If you rock with her, you rock with her. If you not rock with her, well, she'll say you do your thing. You know what I mean? And that's some feel like it to go. But now I see you an entertainer should be opinionated on everything. Because as an entertainer, certain times, especially if say a book for your show, you fall down on stage, you want to get a message, you can do that. But remember, people have paid their money to see you entertain them. So while you break the set to give them something uplifting or something motivating, you have the people that are going to say, what you know, we not pay you for that. You can go live or put out a video if you want, give it a message there. But while on stage, people expect you to perform and entertain them. So some people don't really want artists' advice and opinion. But this was not a stage performance. Mama voice her opinion, I'ma agree with that 100%. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content, as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you, right up on the platform. Up move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, we don't live, love, and prosper until the reason again.